Igbo?
Yes, I'm Igbo.
Kafagi?
My name is Chiamaka.
Aham Chioma Kebibi.
Well, actually, I'm just here for Easter with my parents and my brother. I'm going back to Nigeria tomorrow. Well, sorry, that's how we speak in Nigeria.
Ikwesisu Igbo n'obodo anyị.
Igbo nwenze wekwa ọzọ kachanụ ndewonu. Ihe bụ afọ ọhụrụ, afọ 2023. Asị m gịnị? Afọ 2023 ya bụ n'olu bekee 2023. Afọ ọhụrụ agaghị nke ọma. Nkụzi m ụbọchị nke taa gbakwasịrị ụkwụ na ekele. Asị m gịnị? Ekele ya bụ greetings n'asụsụ bekee. O nwere ọtụtụ ekele ndị Igbo na-ekele na-agbakasị m ntị. Ya bụ ụtụtụ ọma, ehihie ọma, anyasị ọma. Biko abịara m ka m dozie unu olu maka na ọ bụghị sọsọ onye nwere ka a na-edozi olu, ka m mee ka unu ghọta ekele a nke ọma.
Ọtụtụ ọma.
Chere, isi gịnị?
Ọtụtụ ọma.
Ọ bụghị ọtụtụ ọma, ọ bụ ịbọọlachi. Ngọkwuo ya.
Ọbọlachi.
Ịbọọlachi.
Ịbọlachi.
There are certain values that cannot be changed in the Igbo land or literally translated. Greeting is one of them. There are reasons behind every greeting in Igbo land. I'll tell you why. The Igbo people greet Ibolachi as a value. They treasure the breaking of the day. They are passionate about the breaking of the day. They appreciate God. They appreciate Eke Kerowa. They thank him for allowing them break the day. That is why when Igbo people wake up in the morning, they say Ibolachi. That means, have you broken the day? They are happy that you are alive. They are happy that you have broken the day. Now they begin to thank Eke Kerowa for allowing them to break the day. They thank God in different ways. Some go extra mile breaking the kola. Some even pour libation. They call it mayango or mayango. But now, the common way of people thanking God for allowing them break the day is when they wake up in the morning, they say their prayers, they say their meditations. They go to church. Some go for masses, some go for services, as the case may be. So when they go to church, they thank God for allowing them break the day. They thank Eke Kerowa for allowing them break the day. So when they are done with their prayers or meditation, they now step out for their activities of the day. They all go out for their different works for the day. And they now see their neighbors on the road or anybody they see on the road, they greet Ibolachi, Esalachi. And whenever they say that, it is linked in thanksgiving to God for allowing them break the day. So, Ibolachi, have you also broken the day? So now, after breaking the day, the greeting changes. And this usually occurs at the late hours of the morning, through the afternoon, and then the evening. Like I said, we don't greet according to timing. We greet according to moments, according to occasion of things. Now, you greet based on what the person you want to greet is found doing. Let's take for instance, in the rural area where farming is prevalent, when you see farmers or a farmer, okay, let's use a farmer, you greet according to what the person is doing, like I said. So, if you're passing by, you say, Jisike. Jisike. The Enugu people will say, there, me. Now, if it is more than one farmer, you greet Jisike, well done, or there, meno, in dialect. So you greet. Then, if you're close, you can say Ndewo as a singular person or Ndewo as a group of farmers. So in the cities where people think it is not possible to use such greetings, this is how it should be. Now take for instance, in your office, your place of work, you have a boss. When you get into his office, if it is in the morning, you greet Nani. For a man, Nani Ibolachi. For a woman, Nani Ibolachi. Now, when it comes to afternoon or evening, later in the day, you can now say Ndewo, Nani Ndewo, because he's elder. Nani Ndewo. Now, if you wish, you can say Nani Jisike, Nani Jisike when you are leaving, after giving the proper greeting. Ndewo. This is for an office setting. Now, in a normal office gathering or any other place of work, you can still use Ndewo. Ndewo, very important. Ndewo for a single person. Ndewo for a group of persons. It is a proper greeting. Now, if you're passing by, you say Jisike for one person. But if it's more than one person, a group of persons, you can say Jisienike. That is for passing by. But if you're close by, or you are coming into an office, you're coming into a gathering, you say Ndewo for a group of persons. That's why I say gathering. Ndewo. But if it is one person, you are meeting one person, you say Ndewo before you say any other thing. That covers your greeting for the afternoon and the evening. Now, it is time to retire for the day. And whoever you're partying with at that night time, you tell the person, Kachifo. Kachifo. That is very, very deep. Now, the meaning is, let tomorrow come. Let us see tomorrow. So this is significant to our greeting, Kachifo. So I believe we have learned something really new today. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Ibolachi, Isalachi, Itela for morning greeting. For midday and evening, Ndewo. Jisike, Jisienike, Ndewo. Deme, Demenu, Dalo. And for night, waiting for the next day, Kachifo, Kachibo, Kodiechi. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope there will be a change from today. No more ụtụtụ ọma, no more ehihie ọma, no more anyasị ọma, no more abalị ọma. Thank you so much.
Ibolachi, Ndewo. Kachifo.
Ebe aka ga-adọba ya n'ụbọchị nke taa na nkụzi asụsụ Igbo anyị. Aka bụ nwanne m Nwaada Chioma ọmalịcha onye nkụzi Igbo. Daalụ.